Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have an unbagging from Outdoor Tide. They asked me would I like to select some items free of charge and show them to you on my channel. I said yes. And first off I want to show you, it's just funny. Look where this came from. Whoops. Watch it. Look where this came from. Sesame Street. Okay. So, we'll save that for a second because I got a little thing too. Okay, so this is the little thing. Okay. This is supposed to be to rinse your drills off. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. What does that do? So, boop. Put them in there. Okay, so this has to go in here. I don't know. Never had one before. Well, I guess you could just shake it, hold it and shake it. I don't know. But yeah, I had some really dusty drills. They were awful. Like, I had to replace the wax so often, you know, and this will be nice and handy, and just pour them in here and rinse them off. See, those are pretty big holes. The drills won't fall through, but it looks like pieces can, little dusty pieces can go through, and you can shake it up. So this was about $3, I think. But I'll put the links with the accurate prices in the description box. So this is a nice little bonus. I'm just going to keep it in the pack and store that until it's needed. Hopefully I never need it, but that's a nice little thing to have in case you do. And I only picked out one diamond painting. I hope. Okay, keep your fingers crossed. I was iffy on it. I've seen it smaller, and I thought, no way. Okay, it's a 50 by 80. Okay. Maybe I should tilt the camera up a little bit more. I got a new lamp. It's black. I already got my things up on here. It came from Walmart earlier today with my groceries. Like, that was fast. I barely missed the one that broke. It's Harvey. Okay, back to the diamond painting. Oh. Well, it's going to be sideways for you for a minute. Maybe I should roll it backwards first. You can't see because I'm being childish. Okay. Look at that. Oh, and Pluto is under here. There's so much going on. It's so busy. I wouldn't dream of getting this any smaller. Get all these Mickeys and Minnies. Oh, look, there's Chip. Oh my God. Wait, I gotta put it sideways and you gotta look at this. But first things first. Rolling it backwards didn't help that any. Okay. How many colors? 28. 28 colors. And it has a lot of color. This is nice. This is nice. So, I'm trying to, don't say that, I'm trying to go in slow motion today. It's not really trying. I try to tell myself not to even say it, but it's like, it's coming out. Well, it's hardly an effort to go in slow motion. I think it's the desire I have. It's like, take that desire down and go in slow motion, and then you don't feel so bad when you don't get nothing done. Alright, let's look at it this way. Let me take it out of here. Sorry about the glare. Wow. Wow. So Donald Duck, they're making Donald Ducks up there. And that one might be Dale with the red nose. I'm not sure what way they go. There's Goofy. He's going to hammer something. Machine. There's Goofies in a box. They look like they might turn out like that. Here goes a Mickey. No, that's Minnie. They look the same. They look like Mickeys because of the shoes. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, let's just not analyze that because they're all weird. See, that's Mickey. He's got a bow. I don't know. Maybe it's Minnie. Then this one. Yeah, because here's another big one. That's the real one. These are the toys and that are like weird. Mickey, Minnie. That looks right. Where's his suspenders, man? That's Mandela effect. Mickey and Minnie. But she needs a top. Doesn't Minnie Mouse have a top? I don't know. I'm getting technical here. That's not what this is about. This is about a diamond painting. Toy Factory. There's pieces of Pluto. They're Plutos. You see, this is why I didn't want to get it any smaller. Because I think they will turn out. I mean, it's so complicated that the print itself was iffy. That I couldn't make out what was what. What was I actually looking at? What am I seeing? Let alone, will it turn out as a diamond painting? You know, I was iffy on the actual image itself. But, I don't know. There's more of these, too. There's different kinds. This one, it caught my eye the most. And got some kind of pressurized air. And crates and bags and present. This is kind of cool. I don't know what's going on up here. The Huey and Louie, maybe. Huey, Louie, and Dewey. And then Pluto. He sees Mickey falling off. Okay, what is back? Okay, Daisy Ducks. I think these might be Daisy Ducks on a line up here. And I want to zoom in right here, like what's going on there. I don't know what that is. Somebody's standing there. That looks like Daisy. I see the bow, maybe. This is what I mean. Like the image itself, I couldn't make out so great because when you're looking at it on the iPad, you know, the image only gets so big. So I think I'm satisfied with this because what is I don't understand. I will see when it's done, and I think everything's it's gonna be okay because these are production. They're not supposed to look perfect. It's an assembly line. They're not done yet. Here they are being close to done. I think she needs a shirt, though. And he's fooling everybody. He knocked him off. He's like, get out of here. So the mini might be falling over, too. But I don't see it. Oh, that's hands. He's got some kind of zzz, zzz. Maybe that's the air pressure. Here's a hose going all the way up. I don't know. It was just so crazy and colorful and wild. It was so complicated looking, you know, like really busy. And I love that idea. Notes on the board. That's probably Chip or Dale. Like at the beach saying, hi. All spread out. It looks good. Okay. Okay. I'm understanding it more now that the Mickeys are on this side and the inside is the Minis. This is Minnie. That's why there's a bow, because here's the Mickey. Okay. And you got one up here. And then the other one's down here fooling around. Here's one, the nephew. He's a shrink ray. There's one of the nephews with a shrink ray or something. I don't know what that is, but it could be one of those. They have dollies now that will actually climb the steps. They fixed the wheels. The way the wheels go around, they can actually climb the steps. So that was like a genius thing to do. A lot of people must love that have to carry things around. So, okay, let's look at the colors. Colors come in the train. How many? 28. Okay. So, what's going on? Disney. Look, see the bright orange and pink, green and blue. Let's get it down there a little bit more. It said no. I don't want to go down there, but I see it in there. Here it is on this side. That's weird. Look at that big one. No. Is that double? It might have just been laying that way. It looked like one was fused together. It's just my eyes. Here's a dark blue. Okay. I think everything looks great here. And the drills look pretty good. They look good. I'm not seeing any kind of debris. The one I thought I found a cute, funny one. Had to be an oddball, right? And I was like, no. It's like I'm just two different pieces. Okay. So I think this is very nice. Once again, this comes from Outdoor Tide, and they basically do diamond painting and cross stitch. And this was approximately $20. I'll test it's got pretty decent stick. Maybe you can see the picture here. Nope. No. But I'll give you a look at the color chart. So 1 through 9 in an alphabetical order. That's nice. Okay. I think this is a winner for the image that it is. So tight and complex. I think this is a good size. I'm looking at the colors and the drills. It looks like there's a lot of confetti going on to make sure that these colors are able to depict what they're trying, like P's, 5s, 7s, 3s, and J's. I mean, that's all. And then the 3s and 4s go in the ear. I mean, there's a lot going on. Over here, you need some K's for something wider. He's looking up Oh no, here's Donald. So he is looking up at Goofy as I was. He's putting something red in there. Don't know what. Donald's getting mad. What's he looking at? He's probably looking over here at Chip or Dale. I'm betting. Like, I see you. What are you doing? Stop making trouble. We're trying to work around here. This is good, and I'm glad for these bright, bold colors in the corners. You know, nice and big, and look up there, it's yellow and orange. Man, we got all kind of things going on. This is like the building, so you can see through a glass roof. This is the sky. I'm still like checking this out because it's that good. There's so much detail in this. Like if this works out, it's gonna be crazy, and I think it will because it's big enough. 50 by 80. Yeah. Yeah, I seen these smaller. I wouldn't touch it. Like how is this coming out any smaller? You know what I mean? If the canvas itself was only this big, that whole image here, how big would these be? Like this? You're not going to make anything out. So if you're going to get this, if you like the Disney that much, there's more than this one. I don't remember what it was. This is a factory. I don't remember what the other one was. There's at least one more. But I think there was 3. Okay, so that's a thumbs up for me from Outdoor Tide. And I'll get the links to you. I'll put all your information down below. And I do believe I have a discount code. I'll have to check that out and see. So I want to thank everybody for watching. I hope you're all having a good day. And happy diamond painting. Peace out. God bless. Oh, wait, the toolkit.